Thank you so much for that, Jacqueline. Mammatus clouds are some of those beautiful cloud formations. Unfortunately, we don't see them very often, but they look great, that's for sure. We are looking at warmer temperatures, and that's going to take a couple of days for it to happen. Let's check in actually with Kevin in Newmarket on the ground, see what it's like there. Kevin? Thank you so much, Kevin. Right now we have high pressure in place. That's why we need our sunglasses, because the conditions are stable, lots of bright skies and sunshine. High pressure in place. The wind is really not an issue, but we are going to be seeing the winds increasing in strength. You can see all the arrows coming together here from the southeast. So moderate winds expected tomorrow from the southeast, especially warmer conditions inland versus at the lake shores. And this is the warm sector of the low pressure system, which will help to bring our temperatures up bit by bit as we head through to the weekend, which is at this point looking pretty great. So it just goes to show you that bloopers do happen anywhere, anytime. Never here, though. No, never. Let's check in actually on our weather conditions with Kevin in Newmarket and see what it's like there. Kevin? Thank you very much, Kevin. And you're absolutely right. I mean, Friday we do have rain in the forecast, 10 degrees. Then following that, an 11-degree reading. This, though, in the single digits for the most part. But at least we have some sunshine ahead of us for the weekend, so looking good from that perspective. It's amazing what you can cover in 80 seconds, right? Thank you so much for that, Kim. Let's take a look at our forecast. How do we need to dress for the conditions today? I think you have to dress warmly in the single digits, barely above freezing. So we have high pressure in place. The winds are calm under high pressure. But once we have another low pressure system approaching, like we do in this case, the winds begin to pick up. The wind direction coming from the southeast, so they're southeasterly winds, moderate winds in the warm sector, the warm section of the low pressure system. And this is snowfall to the north. Thunder Bay, 10 to 15 centimeters of snow on the way. I kid you not. Winter is still in full swing to the north. Any surprises there for you on that list? All right, well, let's take a look at what's going on with regard to our weather and what we're experiencing while we have high pressure in place for the time being. So that means that the winds are calm and the winds will be picking up in strength by the time we get to tomorrow. So let's check in on our conditions on the street with Kevin right now. Good advice. Thank you very much, Kevin. If you don't have any sunglasses, it's a good excuse to get out there and buy some. Let's take a look at our conditions out there by the time we get to, well, beginning Friday, but especially Saturday and Sunday. So high pressure in place for the time being. The winds will be picking up in strength. There'll be southeasterlies by tomorrow. Moderate winds, say 25 kilometers per hour, and it will be warmer inland than toward the lake shores themselves. This is the warm part of the low pressure system. No precipitation just yet. I'll have to wait for this cold front to push through, but this is snowfall to the north and in places like Sault Ste. Marie, Wawa, Thunder Bay, getting 10 to 15 centimeters of snow. So winter full swing to the north. For us, though, on the other hand, look at the rebound in temperatures. Looking pretty good overall. Stay with us. Natalie Thomas is going to take us to the Rogers Center to visit with the Blue Jays.